Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, let's practice 20 questions and answers regarding life and all the happenings in life. So let's start. I say red, you say blue. Ready? Let's start. What is life? Why do people eat food? What makes you happy in life? Why do we go to school? How do you show kindness in life? What do you do when you feel sad? Now tell me, why do we need sleep? Okay, what is a family? Why is it important to be honest in life? What is a friend? Now tell me, why do people celebrate birthdays? What do you like to do for fun in life? Now tell me, why do we have seasons like summer and winter? What is love? Why is it important to be kind to animals? Why do we have to learn new things in life? What is a dream? That's great. Why do we have rules in life? Okay, now tell me, what is home? Now the last question. Why is it important to say thank you? That's great. Love to have a conversation with you. I hope you have practiced well with me. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.